Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your babe, Sophia Patrick. So guys, in today's video, I am gonna be doing a try on haul. So this is actually my first try on haul. So I'm gonna be trying out the clothes I got from Lagos Island. It's kind of like a Christmas gift to myself, though I'll still get some things like hair in order to make it a complete Christmas gift. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe, and guys, please show me some love, like my videos, comment and share the videos. Guys, let's get into this video. So I got a handless bra. This is it. I have a handless bra previously, but then I don't really like that, and some of the clothes that I'll be trying on, I will need handless bras in order to wear them. So I'm gonna go ahead first and wear this in order to start trying on whole outfits. So guys, this is a handless bra. This is what it looks like. So let me go try on the other dresses and this. So the first is this t-shirt. Yeah, this t-shirt is really nice. Like, look at the quality, guys. It's one of those materials that would last you for a very long time, that you will wear till you tire. So I'm gonna go ahead to try this on, guys. So this is what the tee looks like. I really love this black. Like, black looks sexy on me, man. So this is it. I can rock this with trousers, leggings, or even skirts. So like I'm wearing a bunch of shirts right now. I have to climb this sofa in order for you to see it. So this is what this one looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and try out the next one. So the next one is this swimsuit that I got. I actually didn't know it was a swimsuit when I first saw it, but I don't have any swimsuit, so this would do. So I decided to get this, and I really like the color plus the lacy thing here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one on. And guys, this is what this looks like. Like, I really love this color. Like, it complements my skin color a lot. This is it. So I'll have to, increase my height now. Try. So this is it. Hey, like, I could wear this to party. I could wear this with trousers. I could wear it with skirt. I could wear it anyhow I want it. If I want to look like bad girl can now, I'll just leave it like this and do one kind bad photo shoot. Try. But guys, this is really nice. Let me come back so you guys can see what the back details look like. Okay, so the next one on the list is this cold shoulder black top. I had this cold shoulder black top like a long time ago. I actually still have it now, but no, in just that one. So I don't want to wear it often. If I have to wear it, then I have to wear it like a really high waist skirt or trousers. So because of that, I don't really wear it often. So I was really looking for a black cold shoulder top. I was looking for like the exact same thing. I'm gonna put it on the screen somewhere. So this one that I even got safe, I was already tired, so I just said I'm gonna go ahead now and try on this one. So guys, this is what the cold shoulder black top looks like. It's way too cold shoulder-ish. Like, man, I don't even know if I can wear this to church. Like, I didn't try this on. They just gave it to me in a packet and I just left with it. Anyways, it's still nice. So I'm gonna increase my height again now. So this is what it looks like. But one issue I have with this one is that it's a short top. Like, you need to wear it with a high waist, because if not, your belly is gonna be open. When you put it on, it will look like you're in between crop top and real top. So that's actually where this falls in. So I really love the hand of this. I love the hand detail. Like it looks really, really, really nice. I can even like take it up a bit and turn it to a complete bell hand. Look at it. Look at it. So this is really, really nice. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try out the other ones. I think what I have here now are dresses. So the first dress I'm gonna try will be this black dress. This is a bodycon dress, guys. This material is not really fantastic, but then it's just for 3,000 naira. Oh my god, I didn't tell you guys the prices of all other ones I've been trying out. I'm gonna put them on the screen while editing, so you can still actually get nicer quality for 3,000 naira though. But it looks sexy and nice, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it on and come show you guys. So guys, this is the black dress. This looks lovely, like guys, look. So let me increase my height now, you know what I'm saying. Try. Oh my god, like guys, this brought out my full details. Like I have always wanted a bodycon like this. Like this looks nice. This looks nice. Look at my hand. This is it, man. This is it. We're gonna go ahead and try out another one. For this one, this color looks like when I saw this dress, I actually couldn't get my eyes off it. I plan to get just one dress, which is a white gown, which I'll be using for the bridal shower this coming Saturday. So as I was looking for that white dress, I came across this and I was like, oh my god, this looks so lovely, the color, and it looks like this kind of satin. I don't think it looks like, I think it's actually satin, but it's like a different family of satin, guys. What I told myself was, okay, fine, let me just focus, buy the things I came to market to buy. So if money should remain, I can then go back. But guys, money did not remain. How can you go to market and money will remain? Money did not remain, but I still have to go back. I told myself, God, I don't know the next time that I'm actually going to do all this whole market thing. Because me, how I shop is I only shop when I need something. When I need a black dress, I'll run to market, get it. I am not the type that will just go to market. I think I need to buy some things and then bulk buy. So this is kind of like my first bulk buy. I usually just go get the things I need. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one now. So guys, this is what this looks like. So I got this for 4,000 naira. Like the color, it's so lit. Like look how it is on me. I'm actually glad I got this. So we're gonna do the usual now, Oh my god, like guys, look at this dress. So this is it. This is it. I don't know the dresses that I got. This is it. So guys, the thing is that you can actually wear this dress in multiple ways. So you can adjust this. Yeah. So if you do it like this, then like tie it up. So this is it. This is me looking sexy. This is actually what I'm gonna wear for my next outing, apart from the bridal shower. So when I come out like this, hey, if it's flavor, you will say looking nyash killing good, and then away. That's what I'm actually feeling like now. And this, man, guys, this dress is really, really lovely. It's really, really lovely. Let me try to take it down a bit. So it depends on you. You can actually like take it down to where you feel comfortable. this in this way. I feel like it's celebrity now. Like hey, nah what's meaning for me now is mpia my shoe, yeah, water go my heels, nkunu my handbag. Oh my god. If you don't understand the Igbo, or yeah, is your case. Yeah. And guys, I can even wear this dress like this, like put the hands down like this. It still looks good. This is like another way you can even wear this, like tuck it all in. But I'm actually gonna try wearing it out in one of those ways. This looks cute. So guys, let me go ahead and show you the white dress now. So this is the white dress I got. I got this for, I think yeah, I got this for 6K. I will go ahead and wear it on and stop talking. So guys, this is the white dress. Like, this is a lovely white dress. I feel like an angel now, you know, wearing the white. So as normal, we're gonna go do the usual. So guys, this is the white dress. This is it. I was really skeptical about the length before I picked it up. This is not really tight as tight. It's even better rough, so that I don't have to be dragging when I'm walking. So this is really comfortable. I could even like take it down like this, you know. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna snap pictures when I go for the bridal shower. I got the goodie hot. So I could even like take this up. This looks nice. What do you guys think? Would you prefer it like this or like this? So I'm gonna go ahead and try on the last dress. So guys, this is the last dress that I'll be trying on. There's a blue lovely bondage dress. I actually got this not so long ago, but I didn't get it with this ones. I got this one for 8,000 naira, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. And like I said, I got everything from Lagos Island. So guys, you guys should let me know, are you someone like me who would always shop only for something you need at that point in time, or are you the type that bulk buy? You just go to market and decide that you want to buy dresses, want to buy a lot of things, and then you go ahead and buy? Or are you someone like me that would just only go to market to buy clothes or fashion items only when you need them? So you guys tell me in the comment section while I go and try this one out. So guys, this is actually the last one that we're trying on this video. This is it. Like, this color complements my skin, guys. Look at it. Oh yeah, increase your height now. So guys, this is it. Like, oh my god, when I wore this dress back in June, I guess, yes, back in June or July. I'm gonna put the video somewhere on the screen so you guys can compare how far I have come with my weight loss journey. Like, I feel loose everywhere compared to the last time I wore this dress. For this, I don't need a bra because it's actually padded. Guys, if I put up there, you see how my breast was just everywhere. So this is it. This is a bandage dress, and I love this. Chai. I see it here. So this is it. This is it, and this is the last one. This dress is just making me feel like I'm on the wrong way. So guys, this is actually the last one for today's video. You guys should tell me if you really love this video. I know I don't really have much subscribers, so that's why I'm begging you, if you come across my video, please kindly subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment and share it with your friends. So guys, I'm gonna be ending this video here today. Let me go and start walking the gym. I actually have like few minutes, about 10 minutes to start working. So I love you guys and stay cool. Bye.